Hello everyone, welcome to the Intraoral UP610 accessory introduction video. Today, we will briefly introduce all the accessories of the UP610 and their functions, helping you better understand how to use each accessory. First, this is the handpiece. Quantity 1. It works in conjunction with the scanning tip to scan the teeth and surrounding tissues in the oral cavity, creating three-dimensional digital images. Next, this is the scanning tip. Quantity 4. It connects to the handpiece for scanning purposes, ensuring high-precision digital impressions. This is the stand base. Quantity 1. When the digital impression scanner is not in use, you can place the device on this stand to keep it clean and secure. This is the calibrator. Quantity 1. It is used for calibrating the accuracy of the device, ensuring that the device provides accurate scan results every time it is used. This is the protective cap. Quantity 1. It is used to protect the front end of the handpiece, preventing damage during use. This is the USB flash drive. Quantity 1. It is used for storing software installation packages and other related materials, making it easy for you to back up and update. This is the power adapter. Quantity 1. It provides stable power to the device, ensuring smooth operation. This is the attached power plug. Quantity 1. It is used to connect the power adapter to the medical power supply, ensuring the device has a safe power supply. This is the high-speed USB cable. Quantity 1. It connects the handpiece to the computer for fast data transmission. This is the USB cable. Quantity 1. It is used to connect the calibrator to the computer, ensuring smooth calibration of the device. That's all for the accessories of the UP610 digital intraoral scanner. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching, and we wish you a pleasant experience using the device.